What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this gun safe. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the gun safe, including one thing that I think that you should know before you actually buy. So guys, I already have a few different gun safes, but this one I like the most as a mounted gun safe for a number of different reasons that I'll go through right now. So with this gun safe, obviously you have the keys, and then you have your biometric. You can open it that way as well. And then we have the code. That's just the default code there, right? But one of the things I really like about this, so first off, this holds 9.5 inches of a pistol that you would have. But what I really like is that it actually holds an extra magazine right here. That's not common to find. And I think it's a really, really good use of space with this one. So as I said, this is a mounted safe. So you can actually take this and you can mount it, below a desk or on a wall, wherever you basically would want to mount something like this, you're able to do that, which is really what I was looking for. I like this one in particular because it is 16 gauge carbon steel, and it is about 12.5 pounds. This thing has some weight to it, you guys. It's not light. It does have a little bit of weight to it, which is great though, because you know that it's actually secure, and it would take a lot to break into this thing. It also has a 508 DPI fingerprint sensor, which for those that know anything about biometrics is pretty darn good, especially for the price point. That's not, always a cheap thing to get. So it does have a good biometric sensor as well. It does allow you, and this is important to know, I think anyone want to know this, it does allow you to change this into a silent mode as well. So it doesn't always have to have beeps and everything every time that you're using it. And a cool thing too, let's say that you don't have someone registered on the biometric with their fingerprint. You can register up to 20 of those, by the way. But if you don't have somebody registered here and they put in the wrong code 3 times, it'll actually lock them out temporarily. And one other thing I really like is just the way that the drawer opens is straight out. With other models, it's like a folding type of model. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's kind of built on a pivot here, and it just isn't as smooth. This one is very, very smooth. Now, for the thing to know about this gun safe, which I think is kind of weird, I'm not sure why they designed it this way, but you can see here biometric, and then these are the the numerical codes. The key, you actually have to go under it, and the key is right here. So maybe they hid that on purpose. I don't really know what the reasoning is. But, depending on how you mount this thing, that could be a little bit problematic to get to or a little bit awkward to get to. But it is one thing that I think that you should definitely know before buying. These are the little dinky screws that they give you. I won't be using these. Obviously, this is a gun safe, gonna have a firearm in it, and I wanna make sure it's mounted securely, so I'll be using something bigger than that. But other than that, very, very happy with it. High quality. Definitely recommend and think that you'll enjoy it yourself.